Today we're going to look at Chapter 6 from Big English. Chapter 6 talks about differences between life now and life long ago in the past. Have a look at the first page. Here we've got some different things that we do now. Number 1, travel by car. Number 2, wash clothes in a washing machine. Number 3, have a mobile phone. Number 4, have electric lights. Number 5, cook in a microwave. And 6, listen to an MP3 player. Then we have some pictures of how people used to do things long ago. Here we have cooked on a coal stove. Coal is the kind of black stuff that we use to make fires and barbecues. So cooked on a coal stove. Had a phone with an operator. So when you made a telephone call, you picked up the telephone in your house and there was a lady at the end of the telephone and you asked her to connect you to another line. Number 9, people travelled by horse and carriage. Number 10, people washed clothes by hand. And number 11, people had oil lamps here instead of electric lights. And number 12, people listened to the radio. Okay, I'm going to say something and you try to point to it. Wash clothes in a washing machine. Can you find it? Yeah, here it is. Okay, and what do they do today instead of washing clothes in a washing machine? What did people do long ago? They didn't wash clothes in a washing machine. Can you see the correct picture here? Yeah, that's right. They washed clothes by hand. Okay. Can you find have a mobile phone? Can you see somebody with a mobile phone in the now section? Yeah, there she is. But what did we do differently long ago? Can you find the right picture? Yeah, here it is. People didn't have mobile phones. They had a phone at home with an operator. Okay, we're going to look at the next page. And here we've got a song all about how people did things differently in the old days, and especially about how they got water. So I'm going to pause it a minute while I start the song. Okay, now stop the video and pause the video, rewind it a little bit and listen to the song 2 more times. See if you can understand everything that they're talking about. Now, have you listened to the song? Did you understand it? If not, we can talk about it in the lesson. Now, let's take a look at the activity underneath. It says, choose, then match the activities of today with activities from the past. So here we have lots of words. Cook, have, listen, travel, wash clothes. Okay, which word do we need to make this sentence? By car. By car. You choose cook, have, listen, travel, or wash clothes. Put a number 1 by the correct one. Number 2, in a washing machine. Cook, have, listen, travel, or wash clothes. Number 3, electric lights. Cook, have, listen, travel, wash clothes. Number 4, in a microwave. Number 5, to an MP3 player. After you've finished putting the correct number by each of these words, let's think about which sentence they connect to. Number 1, by car, could go with cooked on a coal stove, had oil lamps, listened to the radio, travelled by horse and carriage, or washed clothes by hand. Put the correct number next to the correct sentence. Number 2, in a washing machine. That's what we do now. In the past, what did they do? Cooked on a coal stove, had oil lamps, listened to the radio, travelled by horse and carriage, washed clothes by hand. Number 3, electric lights. Is it A, B, C, D, or E? Number 4, in a microwave. Look for the right answer. And number 5, to an MP3 player. I'll read these one last time. Cooked on a coal stove, had oil lamps, listened to the radio, travelled by horse and carriage, washed clothes. Okay, pause the video if you need some time to put them with the correct answer. Now we're going to the next page and we're going to read the comic. Okay, I'm going to turn the sound on and you can listen to the story. Then we're going to ask some questions at the end. While you're listening, think about this question. Did Grandma have a microwave when she was a child?
Grandma,
Okay, let's have a look at the questions here. Okay, it says read and choose. When Sam's grandma was a kid, people watched or didn't watch TV. Circle the correct one. If you want to listen to the video again, you can just go backwards. If you want to listen to the story again, you can go backwards in the video. Number 2. People had or didn't have remote controls to change channels. Number 3. People used or didn't use to get up. People used or didn't use to get up to change the channels. Life was or wasn't simpler and quieter. And people used or didn't use to cook in a microwave. Okay? You circle the correct answer, watch the story again if you want to, and then you've finished your work for Big English for today.